Handy Hudsonite here. Have you struggled with having adequate airflow in your furnace system? Then I'm going to show you a couple of tips that I've learned on keeping the air flowing effectively throughout your house. I have a oil furnace. Not too many people have these oil furnaces. They are a very efficient unit. They're very large, and the oil can tend to be expensive, but they are pretty efficient for the amount of oil that they use. And a few years ago, we noticed that the airflow around our house was diminishing, and I didn't really know why. And I came to find out that it had just involved a simple housekeeping procedure in keeping filters cleaned out. And on our particular furnace, a filtration system from Honeywell, and it's pretty basic. Just take that off, and then we've got these particular filters. There's this type of filter, this metallic, more permanent filter, and then what we have are these. And as you can see, I need to do some cleaning here now that it's summer and this isn't really running anymore. I'm going to clean this out, and I try to clean these out, and there's actually two of each of these inside of here, and I try to clean these out at least twice a year. Probably more like 3 times a year that I clean these out. A technician actually showed me that this was impeding the airflow around my house, and you might think, well, of course, these are the filters, you should be keeping them clean. But do we all remember to clean these out on a regular basis? And we get busy and we forget it. So you need to build it into a reminder system, you know, on your calendar or in an app. Build that in to make sure you're getting this cleaned out. And the more you run your furnace, the more often you should be cleaning these out. And ideally, these metallic ones here need to be soaked in the proper solution to clean them. And I try to do that once a year. I really only need to do that once a year. But these things, especially these, have to be cleaned a good 3, maybe even 4 times a year, because this is where it really gets hung up. As you can see, a lot of the dust that is built up in there. They're just ways that I try to help keep the air flowing throughout my house, through the furnace here. So I hope this has been helpful for you. This is the Handy Hudsonite. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can get up-to-date content from me, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.